Hello and welcome to Gestra, where we engineer steam performance. I want to talk to you about steam traps and continuous surveying. Why should you test your steam traps? When we talk about steam trap testing, it's important to understand why organizations invest in it because it serves multiple parts of the business, each with different priorities and stakeholders. Steam trap testing improves process productivity by ensuring optimum steam conditions for heat transfer. This results in consistent product quality, increased uptime and output, reduced waste, and ultimately higher profitability. It also supports sustainability and energy savings by minimizing steam losses and maximizing condensate return. This leads to reduced energy and water consumption, lower chemical treatment requirements, improved system efficiency, and a smaller overall environmental footprint. Finally, effective steam trap management enhances maintenance and reliability. Continuous surveying enables targeted, condition-based maintenance, faster issue resolution, better resource allocation, and identification of failure patterns for predictive maintenance, reducing downtime, optimizing spare parts, and driving long-term plant efficiency. Traditional steam trap surveys should be conducted on an annual basis. During these surveys, a contractor or plant employee walks the system with an ultrasonic device, listens to each trap, may check temperatures, and records an interpretation of what they hear. While this approach provides useful information, it ultimately delivers only a snapshot in time, relying on human judgment and dependent on timely report completion. It also requires significant coordination and labor, including contractor costs, internal resources to escort personnel through the plant, locating traps, sourcing replacement parts, and scheduling repairs. By contrast, continuous steam trap surveying transforms this process entirely. Instead of a single point-in-time assessment, it provides ongoing visibility into system performance, enabling deeper insight into trap status and behavior. Continuous surveying supports more effective maintenance planning, improves reliability, and allows facilities to quantify losses and savings with far greater accuracy. Gestra saw the human interpretation of traditional steam trap surveys and developed the VKP steam trap testing tool. It has been used by professionals for a long time. This tool removes human interpretation and uses decades of testing to give steam trap survey results immediately and precisely, with no guesswork. This example considers a customer site with 300 steam traps and an assumed 10% annual failure rate. However, not all traps fail in a way that results in steam loss. Approximately 2/3 of failed traps fail open, and within that group, only a portion of the time is steam actually being lost, due to factors such as orifice restriction and intermittent operation, where traps may be partially blocked or only passing steam intermittently. When relying on annual surveys, timing becomes a critical limitation. A trap that is inspected and confirmed to be operating correctly during the survey could fail shortly afterward, whether days, weeks, or months later. In these cases, the failure may go undetected until the next survey cycle, allowing energy losses and operational inefficiencies to persist for extended periods. With continuous surveying, failed steam traps can be identified and addressed within a week or even a day, significantly reducing the duration of energy loss. What would have been prolonged losses under a periodic survey model are instead converted into immediate measurable savings. This enables a more targeted, data-driven maintenance approach, allowing you to focus resources where they are needed most while freeing up time to address higher-value operational priorities, equating to 98% savings. What does Gestra wireless steam trap surveying solution offer? Gestra provides a complete solution that includes hardware, cloud-based dashboards, and expert consultation services. The devices are non-intrusive, wireless, and designed for long battery life, ensuring minimal impact on operations while delivering continuous surveying. The dashboards offer 24/7 access to real-time data, including quantified losses, steam trap status, and automated failure notifications, giving full visibility into system performance at any time. Our consultation services are delivered by experienced steam and condensate experts, leveraging the latest technologies to provide actionable insights. This enables customers to improve performance, optimize maintenance strategies, and drive measurable efficiency gains across their steam systems. The ecoBolt can be mounted directly to a Gestra steam trap or any manufacturer on the steam piping. It captures and transmits data via the LoRaWAN protocol to a gateway. The gateway then relays this encrypted data over a cellular network to Gestra private Laureate servers. From there, the data is securely stored within a Microsoft-hosted data lake. Gestra leverages the Strata platform to process and present this information in a clear visual dashboard format for users. The ecoBolt offers a range of key features designed for reliable and scalable steam trap monitoring, including ultrasonic and temperature measurement, long-lasting battery operation, and long-range wireless communication. The device automatically performs regular measurements and supports configurable alarms tailored to specific customer requirements. Gestra's ecoBolt offers flexible mounting options, including customized solutions for Gestra's smart-ready steam traps and universal clamp designs for installation on steam piping for any third-party trap manufacturer. This adaptability ensures reliable deployment even in tight or hard-to-access locations. Additionally, ecoBolt is available in explosion-rated areas, certified for use in hazardous environments, including Class 1 Division 2 areas. Our dashboards provide a clear, real-time overview of steam trap performance, including steam loss, cost of steam, and associated CO2 impact. Each installed device is documented with a photo that automatically geolocates the asset. A dedicated asset overview page captures key details such as make, model, application, and operating pressure. The asset page provides detailed steam trap condition insights, identifying status such as working, failed open, failed closed, banking up, blocked, or plugged. This also shows the asset's steam loss and costs associated with it, showing its impact. Additionally, our audit engineers can import P&IDs to deliver a more comprehensive and structured asset overview. These dashboards can show steam trap comparison overlays to spot anomalies in applications. Now that we've gathered the data, the real question becomes, how can we use it? We can identify which steam traps are failing or impacting performance and analyze their effect on the process. With this insight, we can evaluate whether those traps should be upgraded to improve efficiency or reliability. It also opens the door to optimizing system performance, whether by improving heat transfer, adjusting maintenance frequency, or determining the most cost-effective approach between blowdown, repair, or replacement. Ultimately, this data enables better decision-making across the facility, helping you move from reactive maintenance to a more strategic, performance-driven operation. Through our consultation services, Gestra delivers comprehensive audit reports developed by our experienced steam system experts. These reports go beyond basic survey reports. They provide deep, actionable insights into your steam system performance by identifying inefficiencies and anomalies across the system, detecting failing or underperforming steam traps, highlighting energy losses and operational risks, providing clear, prioritized recommendations for improvement, enabling proactive maintenance through early failure detection, supporting alert strategies and ongoing monitoring initiatives. Ultimately, these audits act as an additional set of experts, helping your team uncover issues that may otherwise go unnoticed and ensuring your steam system runs at peak efficiency, reliability, and safely. The consultations provide an analysis of the monitored system, highlighting the audit report. This report identifies a failed open steam trap. It's exhibiting elevated ultrasonic noise levels and high temperature. It also shows that once the trap was repaired, readings returned to normal operating conditions. Notably, the customer was alerted more than 2 weeks before the trap reached full failure, enabling proactive intervention. Here is a zoomed-in view of the data. The data analysis indicates that this steam trap is experiencing condensate backup. The accumulation of condensate is clearly visible in the operating data, and once the trap is repaired, it returns to normal operating conditions. Here is a zoomed-in view of the data showing the repaired trap. The data analysis of a failed closed steam trap. The condensate backup is clearly visible in the data, and once the trap is repaired, it returns to normal operating condition. Here is a zoomed-in view of the data showing the trap, its repair, and returning to a good working state. Analysis of a site with a weekly shutdown cycle highlights a clear anomaly in steam trap performance. The deviation in the steam trap temperature and jump in ultrasonic noise indicates the condensate load increase. This is a partially blocked orifice. Once the trap is blown down, it returns to a more stable and efficient working condition. This corrective blowdown action improves overall steam trap efficiency, enhances system performance and reliability. You can see on the next startup that the trap gets to operating temperature faster, proving the efficiency this plant got back. These solutions are guiding us toward the future. They are not a one-size-fits-all approach. The sensors themselves provide one critical element: data. That data is opening doors to areas we've never had visibility into before, revealing opportunities and insights that were previously out of reach. These solutions are not just delivering information. They are enabling new ideas, new strategies, and new ways of thinking about system performance and optimization. And the value of this data extends across the organization. Energy engineers, audit engineers, sustainability teams, and even executive leadership, from CFOs to CEOs, can all leverage it in different ways. Ultimately, the data becomes unique to each stakeholder, supporting decisions that align with their specific goals and priorities. With Gestra ecoBolt solution, we enable deeper insight into steam systems, their processes, and their applications. By transforming raw operating data into meaningful information, ecoBolt helps uncover opportunities to improve efficiency, enhance plant performance, and increase overall process productivity. These insights empower teams to move beyond reactive maintenance, allowing them to set measurable goals, implement targeted initiatives, and continuously optimize system performance across the facility. We are Gestra, and we engineer steam performance.